Snowplow operators have a big job to do, driving these huge pieces of equipment and operating the many controllers in their vehicle takes special training and lots of practice. We got a glimpse at what it takes to be a snowplow operator with North Dakota Department of Transportation's operator Larry Froelich. Froelich has been operating a plow and also the tow plow for over 7 years with the NDDOT. Snowplows have poor visibility to the rear and blind spots at the rear, both sides, and at mirror and door positions. Motorists should remember to stay out of the plow's no zone.
So right now I got an eye on my tow plow. I'm watching my front plow. And I gotta watch the traffic. The biggest thing is the traffic. They can see us, but sometimes we can't see them. If a car hits a snow plow, they're going to lose.
Froelich dispatches out of the Bismarck district, and his route typically consists of plowing the interstate in and around Bismarck and Mandan. His entire route is about 60 miles long and takes him approximately 2 hours during an average snow event.
We come in at 4:30 in the morning, try to get everything cleaned up before traffic starts.
His truck is equipped with a front plow, an underbody plow, and a tow plow mounted on a trailer behind the plow truck. Coordinating the movement of all these parts is tricky, but Froelich does it with ease.
I'm looking at the plow and the tow plow. I got the tow plow deployed. When I come up to the bridge, we got to watch out. There's expansion joints that we have to lift up for it, or else we'll rip the plow off. Like right here is one. And I got to bring the tow plow in just a little bit. And when you come to the ramps, you got to watch vehicles so you don't cover them with snow. And the bridge, you got to watch so you don't throw it over the edge. You got to go really slow. And then the narrow shoulder, I have a left-hand wing. I can put my wing down and I can clear this narrow shoulder off with the plow. Right now I got my tow plow in.
So what can motorists do? Stay back from the plows, slow down and drive for conditions. Know where the plow is on multi-lane roads. It could be in either lane or on the shoulder. Be patient and never drive through whiteouts or snow fog. Snow fog is created when plowing light snow. The snow gets thrown up into the air by the plow and creates whiteout conditions. Passing a plow is very dangerous, especially when snow fog is present. Here, you can see a car almost goes in the ditch from the whiteout conditions from the two plows clearing the interstate. Remember, snow plows are out to improve road conditions. Please be patient and allow them to do their job. Don't crowd the plow. For road conditions, click on Travel Information Map at dot.nd.gov.